Hey guys, we are continuing our Earth and Space Science BPL unit, and so we are going to continue exploring. And so what we're exploring is the viewspace.org, and this is neat because we can do interactives and videos with Earth and Space Science, and we're going to have little sliders just like this one right here, and we can slide it so this is visible, and as we slide it we see what it's going to look like as it gets to X-ray. And then we can slide it, and this is what it's going to look like as we get to multi-wavelength. And if we go over here, there's interactives, and if we go over here, here's some videos. So if we click on interactives, about the interactives, and we scroll down, this will be a tutorial of your interactives. So here's the topics menu, which I will show you how to use as I click on one of the topics. This is our label toggle, which will show you as you click on things in the image what they are. So make sure this is on. And then this is the labels. This is where we're going to learn about key features. So like this is dust, gas, and stellar corpse. Then the image is going to have a caption so you know what you're looking at as you glide across with your slider control. And here we can start exploring our topics. You can click on whatever topic interests you. I suggest exploring all of them as they're all super neat to look through. So we can look at detecting other worlds. Let's click on it. And here we have star, planet. Star is at maximum apparent brightness. We have this graph for us here, and we have the telescope. And we make sure our labels is on. And as we go, we can see before the transit begins, none of the starlight is blocked. And we're going to glide our slider control. And we're going to hit 0.75 hours. And we're going to see that the star appears to dim. And then we're going to keep sliding. And we're going to see at 2.5 hours, the brightness of the star appears lowest in the middle of the transit when the planet is between the star and the telescope. And we're going to keep sliding at 4.25 hours. As the planet completes its transit, the brightness of the star appears to increase. We're going to hit 5 hours. When the transit is complete, the star is back to its normal apparent brightness. And then we're going to click 3 orbits, and our picture changes. So this is going to show us how it's detecting other worlds. And if we go down here, we can look about the story of detecting other worlds, and we can do quick facts, which would be great to put in your bloggers. And we can explore more with these resources down here. You just click on them if you wish to do so. And if you wish to start exploring other things, we are going to hit this topics button over here. We're going to click down, and you can do star formations if you would like. And we're going to hit it, and we can do the Eagle Nebula. We click on it. Okay. And here we have a new image, new post, and new slider controls, and new descriptions of your images. And again, we will do exactly what we did before, slider control back and forth. And then once you're done with interactives, you can go on videos, and you can go to about the videos, and we can go down, we can click on video library, and we're going to have space topics, or you can search your topics. So we can do space topics, or if you would like to explore more about Earth and the solar system, we can do here. This is news. We can do space themes, and of course if you click these arrows it'll have more options for you if you don't find one you like in the first one. We have Earth themes and series, and of course we can keep going back and forth. And then if you would like to search topics, you can absolutely do so. And so once we have collected all of our wonderful information from viewspace.org, we can go into Google, hit Google Apps, go to Blogger. Your page should look like this with your blogs of your Earth and Space Science, and you can create a new post. Let's make sure we title it. And then we can write whatever we want in here from our findings. And then we will hit publish, but let's make sure that it's on preview so we can all see it. Publish, and we're going to hit confirm. And then we have it here. And this right here will tell you if any of your peers have commented on it. And so if you would like to view what it looks like in your Blogger, click View Blog down here. And it will be right here. And you will have comments here when you get some. And if you would like to go back in, let's click Sign In up here. And to view your comments without going in there, you can just click Comments over here. And all of your comments will be listed here, and they will tell you what blog, for example right here, what blog your peers commented on, and you'll be able to reply to your peers as well. I cannot wait to read your guys' blogs about your findings on viewspace.org. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out.